The De Pere boys soccer team has become one of the premier programs in the state. For the third time in the last 4 years and the 7th time overall, the Redbirds are making a run at a Division I gold ball. D-Line Soccer Park in Milwaukee for De Pere's D1 quarter versus Appleton North. Redbirds get on the board 10 minutes in. Kyle Rourke sends a centering pass to Evan Rogoszewski, who goes top shelf. But the Lightning strike 3 minutes later. Kirby Allen shows off some fancy footwork and goes up top as his faux hawk friends look on. Appleton North goes on to upset De Pere 4-2. The Lightning will play Eau Claire Memorial tomorrow night at 7 in the semis.